Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what's happening to me. Before now, few hours before now, I was filled with anger, rage. My heart was filled up with quest for revenge. It was a revenge for me. Everything that has happened was a revenge. I was so angry. I was so angry with myself. I was so angry with everything around me. My video for Chris Okafor, many people interpreted it in different ways. Some said, I want to marry him. Some said I should let go. Some said marriage is by force, and a whole lot. Before now, nothing was going to stop me. Before now, I've gotten the date of the wedding on the 16th. I'd booked my ticket to Lagos for tomorrow. Nothing was going to stop me. When I said Chris was going to kill me, I meant it. Not because I was jealous. Not because I wanted him to marry me. No, I don't want to marry Chris. And not because I still loved him. No, I don't love him. It's not about love. It's a revenge for me. It's a revenge that he locked me up. It's a revenge that he took my money. It's a revenge that he released my video, my naked video. When I saw the engagement video, something got hold of me. Something I can't explain what it is got hold of me. I don't know. And from that moment, I didn't sleep. I saw that in the evening, around 10 that day. I couldn't sleep. I met a very wonderful person. Since this year, I've been alone, reflecting on so many things. But I met a very wonderful person, a very nice person, someone who has showed me love, someone who has really showed me care. Just a few days ago, few days to my birthday, I met a person. He just wanted to love me. Just wanted me to love him back. That's all. He did everything. He was there for me on my birthday. He celebrated my birthday. kind of love he showed me is a love I've not seen from anyone. It was a pure love. It was an unconditional love. But today the person is not talking to me. The person is not talking to me because I came out to revenge on Crystal Carrefour, to get angry, to expose him, to let the world know what he did to me. It was in my quest of revenge that I lost this person. But it's okay. You know, my birthday was another thing that hurts me so much. Many people did not celebrate me. Many of my colleagues did not celebrate me. And trust me, in as much as it hurts me, I understand it. Because I too, for years now, for so many years, wasn't even celebrating much of my colleagues. Not because I deliberately didn't want to, but because when I lost my father, everything changed in me. Part of one of the last words my father told me, and for the first time, my father told me that, and that was the last time I ever saw my dad. And he told me that March was his birthday, and I believe he told me so. I believe he told me that so I can celebrate him. He was not alive. He died before his birthday. So because of that, I don't celebrate birthdays anymore. But and that made me, when people are celebrating birthday, I also don't celebrate them. This year, I even stopped taking pictures, studio pictures on birthdays. But this year, this friend of mine that I met said I have to celebrate my birthday, and he did celebrate the birthday for me. Honestly, I don't know what is wrong with me. Something is actually wrong with me, but I can't tell what is wrong with me. I saw my friend's video. I saw her giving a testimony in church. And if you have been close to her, you understand the anger. That anger part in her. My friend was the only sister I ever had. She was the only one that, when we are together, we free ourselves. We're not afraid of each other. We talk, we're happy together. We're like blood sisters. It was this case of Crystal Capo that separated us. She was trying to save me. That is the truth. She didn't want me to end up like this. Remember what she told me? She said, Doris, I don't want you to end up like me. I've been through this part. She told me not to. The reason we broke up was because I called Chris out. She didn't want me to do that. And I felt bad. I felt betrayed. Pride took over me, anger took over me. And I said to her that she was not a good friend. And I said to her that she didn't want to support me. I was very angry at her. And she kept telling me to calm down. That she doesn't want me to end up like her. She doesn't want me to have a bad name. I remember what she said exactly. She said, don't have a scandal on the internet. I know what it did to me. I don't want you to end up like that. But I didn't listen. You see, I'm talking from a place of pain right now because I don't know what is wrong with me. Something has taken over me. Since I saw that video of Chris' engagement, everything on my body, my head was revenge. It was not love. It was revenge for all the things Chris did to me. As a matter of fact, I am to storm the wedding venue. From what someone told me, I don't know how true it is, sent me a venue and the date, 16th of this December. I am to go to Lagos. I am to stop there. Whether I get killed or not, I am to stop that wedding. That is what the devil has told me to do. The devil has decided to destroy me further, making me feel that this is a battle I have to win. I have to show proof. I have to bring our chats to let people know that I was dating Chris. I had to prove it. I had to disgrace him. I had to embarrass him. Well, Chris, I don't know what you have done. I don't know if you have a hand in my brother's death. This is the reason why I want to revenge. I don't know if you did the diabolical thing in my life, but if you did, whatever it is that has taken over me is also destroying you. As it is destroying me, it's taking you also with me. Please, if there's anything you have done diabolically against me, kindly undo it, so I can be free, so you too can be free. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to quest for revenge took over me. A lot came through my mind. I had to enjoy myself. I had to. A lot. The devil took over my life. I'm tired. I want to be saved. I don't even know how to. I've lost good people. But this matter, this issue with Chris showed me that a lot of people love me too. Because you don't want to see my DM. My DM is full. People asking me to marry them, people asking me to forget about Chris and be with them. That made me happy as well. Those people just don't like me because of my behavior. Probably because of the way when people hurt me, I come out and I call them out and talk about it on social media. Maybe I'm expecting too much. Maybe I have been expecting too much because I give too much. I give all. I give all. So when betrayal hits me, I don't look back. I just want to pay back. I just want to revenge. And this has taken over my life. It has destroyed my life. I don't know if I am going to come back to me. I don't even know if I can face the world again. I don't know if I can look at people again. I don't know if this is going to dip me down into depression that will keep me inside the house for another long time. I don't know what the outcome of this will be. But I'm tired. I don't want to do it again. I don't want revenge anymore. For me and Chris Okafor, it's not love. No, I don't love him anymore. No. It's just anger, revenge. My brother's death, I don't know if it's linked to him or not. I don't know. I'm not okay. I'm trying to be, I don't even know how to be okay. I don't know if I will ever be okay. I don't know if I will ever be okay. I want to be okay. Something has taken over me and I don't know what it is. I just want to be okay. I want to let go of this quest for revenge. I want to let go of this anger in me. I want to let go. I just want, I can't. A lot of things is wrong with me. I don't know what it is. But I'm really, really sad and broken. Whatever it is that is wrong with me, I want it to just end now. I'm done. Chris, if you have a hand in my brother's death, let your conscience, that's if you have one, judge you. And please, whatever you have done, if you